Oh God, I'm so tired. Hi guys. Hi. I'm still in my kitchen again today. I cook a lot, so that's why it's stress that's making my face like this, and my period just finished. Stress. I'm tired, guys. So today I'm making fried rice. My name is Frida Safinoka, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please help me to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. Please, I love you already. And all my subscribers, my gang. Hey, Apinoko gang. We need to give this channel one gang name. What do you guys think? Drop your suggestion in the comment. So today I'm going to be making fried rice. I'm going to show you how I make my own fried rice. Yes, guys. I have my chicken is steaming already. And this is my rice. My rice is here. So let's get into the video. So first I have my rice. I washed it already with salt. I do not parboil my rice. I washed it already with salt, and I washed it like 3 times, so it's really clean. You can see how clear the water is. So I have the gas on already. So I'm going to pour in my meat stock, my chicken stock. That's what I'm going to use to make the rice. My assistants for the day are, this is my kid brother. Brother, say hello. This is my kid brother.
I know it's a lot better.
And this is my husband. Super. So I'm going to pour my meat stock. This thing don't follow. Filming with one hand. I'm still going to do it like this. So after the mixed stock, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna leave it like this to cook, and then I'll add my salt, add my ghee, I'll add curry, and then I'll add thyme and every other seasoning that you desire to add. I want to fry. So every time I want to fry my chicken, I always drop my ghee in my oil. It gives it one amazing taste. Yeah. So now I'm going to put my chicken. I always put prawns in my fried rice, I don't know, with liver. So I just want to try it. So I always fry my liver because I don't like it. I feel it's always fresh. I fry it. So in here we have the carrots, spring onions, green beans, every vegetable here. So I'm going to put I'm going to share this into 2 halves. I'll put some here, then I'll put the remaining one when I'm almost dropping my rice. Okay, so our rice is on low heat steaming while I'm frying this. So I'm going to, this is a blend of garlic and ginger. I don't fry it here, I put it directly into the almost cooked rice. So every spoon you take, there's a taste of that. So now I'm going to add. So I'm going to add this prawns and liver that I fried before. Curry. I don't used to do measurements. I just know when it's okay. And I'm going to add my thyme. Maggi. Remember, we cooked the rice with meat stock already, so there's a bit of seasoning in that one. So I'm not going to put too much. I think I'm going to camera tonight. Can you see that?
Yes.
My multi-purpose wooden stick. I used to make a bar. I used to cook banga soup. I used to cook fried rice. I used to cook jollof rice. You must stir properly. If you don't stir properly, the bottom will be left out of the juice. Remember, we left this out, so I'm going to add this one. Okay. Where's the butter? Give me the butter. Then I'll add. I'm going to put 1 part. Okay, so guys, so that's my recipe. That's how I make my fried rice. That's the fried rice that I know and like. So we're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please, if you have not subscribed, please help my channel go. Click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Peace out.